Hello, I'm Leslie. Are you feeling frustrated with your weight loss plan? Well, I'm here to tell you that I actually lost 21 pounds, 4 inches from my waist, 3 inches from my tummy and my hips, and I've kept it off for over 30 years, and you can too. So I'm here to give you 3 top tips to help you to get over that frustration and to have the body and the weight that you want. So don't forget though, before I go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell, and maybe even give me a like after you've heard these 3 tips. So getting back to your frustration and how I can help you. Well, I actually use Herbalife nutrition, and that is what I did originally to lose my weight. And since then, because I felt the fantastic benefits of the health and nutrition that I'm getting from these products, I just continued on my weight loss and got the results that I wanted. And once I got those results, I realized that there was also a way of maintaining my weight long term. And this is what I'm going to cover with you today. So the first thing, point number 1 that I want you to write down is consistency. Now, consistency is important with anything. If you want to be able to run a marathon, you need to carry on practicing. If you want to be good at cooking, you need to carry on practicing. If you want to have a nice body, working out at the gym to build your muscles, you need to do it more than once. Anything that you want to achieve needs to be done consistently, with consistency. You know what I mean. Anyway, now, how did you get to wherever you're at that's caused you to feel frustrated? Were you consistently eating the wrong things? Have you consistently neglected all those little things that you know that you should or shouldn't do? I mean, we all know them. We all know that we should drink more water, we should exercise a bit, we should get good sleep, and we shouldn't eat junk food. And that, and those are all the things that are around us. So you need to be able to consistently make some choices. Now, with consistency, you can achieve anything. So you can achieve all the bad negative stuff, or you can achieve all the great good stuff. The good news is you don't have to give up your entire life of fun, as some people would call all those bad habits. You can actually just be about 51 or 52% erring onto the side of better judgment and be consistent with that. So with Herbalife Nutrition, it's very simple. All we do is we have 2 shakes a day, 1 healthy evening meal, or meal whenever you want actually, and a couple of protein snacks a day for losing weight. And then when you want to maintain your weight, you only need to have 1 shake a day and eat 2 healthy meals. Now, that's not that difficult to do. The thing is, people don't do it. And I don't know why, but if you just did that, that would be a major, major difference. So that's point number 1. Consistently follow a program that works. It's worked for millions of people, so there's no reason why it shouldn't work for you. It worked for me, and I can honestly say it was the easiest thing that I've ever had to do in order to lose some weight, and certainly the easiest way of maintaining that weight loss. So consistently, I did it. But you might think, oh, she's a bit too good, or she's a bit too whatever. I'm not even going to choose those words. A lot of people think that. Okay, that's fine. I haven't got a problem with that. But what I do think makes a major difference to helping you to get over that feeling is to be part of a community, or at least have 1 person on your side. You don't have to have a whole world of people on your side. There's a whole world of people that neglect themselves and don't look after themselves and eat all the wrong things and make all the wrong choices. But, all you need to do is have a friend, and the 2 of you do something together. And you've started your little community. And with Herbalife Nutrition, we have our little community. We have quite a large community. And anyone who gets started on one of our programs is automatically allocated a coach. And then you're part of a team, a community, a tribe, call it what you will, a group of people. And we are all coaching each other together. We're supporting you, we're giving you tips and ideas, and we're encouraging you, and we're singing your praises for every pound that you've lost or every inch that you've lost, and every moment that you're feeling more energized, and every time someone says, hey, what's happened to you? You're looking so good. You know, there's always somebody in our community to cheer you on. So number 2 is community. Have a group of people around you that support you and know what you're doing. And then you will be able to do number 1, the consistency part of it. And that's really, really what the key to it is all about. And then the third thing is about being affordable. Now, sometimes people say, oh, I can't do this because it's going to cost me too much. No, just really think about what our program is about. Herbalife Nutrition provides you, when you get on this program, 2 meals a day, 2 hot drinks a day, and some snacks. So you would be replacing all the food that you would normally have that's causing you the pain, the discomfort, the frustration of not having the right weight and the right body shape. But it's just a matter of exchanging those things for the right things. And this is what we as a community teach you to do consistently. So not only do you save a lot of money on all of that junk food, all of the bad choices, but also we offer more discounts, more affordability, more ways of helping you to be consistent, number 1, and stay part of our community, number 2, and be able to afford great good health, an amazing body that you will be proud of forever. And we are here to support you every step of the way. So anyway, I hope you liked those 3 tips. Do give me a thumbs up, a comment, or share it with a friend that you may be able to help with. And we're so happy to welcome you to our community, and you will no longer need to ever be frustrated with your weight and how you look. Just make the decision to have a go. Take a look at Herbalife Nutrition. I couldn't recommend it enough. I have enjoyed 30 odd years of being at the best of my health, and you can too. Just take the first step and let's do it together. Okay, look forward to talking to you again really, really soon. Bye for now.